Good morning, my name's Chris and I work for Baxi Customer Support, and I've been asked to show you a few examples of the steps we're taking as a company to make sure that we are safe and our customers are safe during the coronavirus outbreak. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is I'm going to call my customer and give them an ETA to let them know when I'm going to be there. Also ask them a few questions regarding coronavirus to make sure they're happy I'm in the house and make sure they haven't got any symptoms either. So we'll try and make a phone call now. Good morning, it's Chris from Baxi, calling about the boiler. Hello there, I should be with you in about an hour, is that all right? Good. I just need to ask you a couple of questions about the coronavirus. If anyone's got any symptoms or if anyone's still in a quarantine period or anything. Also, just need to ask if we can maintain a safe distance of 2 metres, is that okay? Or preferably keep in another room, would that be all right? Okay then mate, lovely, I will see you in about an hour.
Cool. See you in a bit.
See you mate, see you soon, bye bye.
Cheers.
Okay, there we go. Sounds safe to go to his house and repair his boiler. Okay, so just arrived at the customer's house and gonna go knock on the door now and see what the problem is. Obviously step back 2 metres when we knock on the door to give the customer a bit of space. I've got a brand new mask for the day to wear, which we dispose of at the end of every day. And I've got my surgical gloves to wear that we dispose of on every job. Now I'm going to wash my hands on the way in to the customer's property if they allow me to, and also on the way out as well. So we'll go in there and see what the problem is, and then I'll suss out what tools I need so I don't end up taking all my tools into one job, just carrying what we need basically. So the job's now completed, fixed the customer's boiler, no point that we come into any contact, not allowing the customer to sign our little HHTs at this time. And should we not be able to wash our hands, we're provided with hand sanitizer, and at the end of every day we've got our anti-bac wipes to give our tools a clean down, including our van keys and everything as well, to make sure we don't take anything home with us. And that's it.